Hey, stupid Archer here. In my garage, just recovering from my surgery. I got my knee reconstructed. I was in quite a bit of pain, so I didn't make much videos. I was not so up for it, but I'm back and I want to talk about a topic which is quite important if you're a beginner. I want to talk about some cheap bows that really don't suck, that they're really good value. I'm all about the value, by the way, even though I waste a fair bit of money on the bows, which I most certainly don't need, but I enjoy it. You do not need to do that, because archer is mostly the problem. If you're not hitting, that doesn't mean that you're going to hit with a new, better, most expensive shrew bow, or with most expensive bear bow, or buy Hoyt Satori and then you're immediately the best hunter ever. Doesn't work like that. Mostly, every time I got better, I got better because of training and going back to basics and working on the mental aspect of archery and stuff, not because I got a new bow. So yeah, let's talk about some really cheap bows, which are quite good. So let's go. And important thing is I will talk only about the bows what I tried myself, or I know somebody who I trust and tried it and recommended it to me for a beginner, or for myself, or for anybody else. So I'm just putting the list of the bows that I really can assure you that you can spend your money on, and that we don't waste any money in the process. If you're starting, you should definitely not buy too expensive bow. First archery company that I want to talk about is Samick. I have a special bond with Samick because first bow I ever shot was Samick Leopard 2. That was my first bow that I bought ever for myself. Like now over 10 years ago, maybe 11 or 12 years ago. Still shoot it, still have it. Plenty of fun with that bow. I moved on just because I wanted to try different things, not because it broke or because it didn't perform. I could still shoot same with that bow like with any other bow, because they're just simple, good performing bows. Samick Sage, $100. Limbs, $45. If you want to change a limb, take for your wife, take for a son or daughter. For elderly, you just get cheap limbs, so you can have for you, for target practice, 40-45 pound limbs, and just get really cheap 20-pound limbs for your child. Awesome value. Shot them, tested them, recommended it to a bunch of people, and those people said they're really good. So Samick, Sage, all of those recurve Samicks, and Samick longbow, Samick Sage longbow. Had it, have a review on it. This is beautiful longbow. Little small grip for my hand size. I have huge hands, but wow, I don't know, $160. Plenty of longbow for $160. So you're not spending extreme amount, premium bow amount of money. You get the same performance, because Samick, you cannot go wrong with it. You can get them on the garage sales. You can get them even cheaper, $50-$60. Definitely worth it. And the new Samick Sage is like $100-$110. Yeah, definitely worth checking. Yeah. Of course, we cannot talk about cheap bows without talking about Black Hunter. They're everywhere. There is thousands of videos. Black Hunter longbow, Black Hunter recurve, just most famous cheap bow right now in the world. Everybody wants a Black Hunter, or all of the people who are want to be budget friendly, or they search for a budget friendly bow, they are definitely looking into that. My wife had it. I have one with custom limbs, which is a completely different story. Definitely 55-pound awesome custom limbs. But the grip is heavy, nice, stabilized wood, like really hard. Also costing slightly above $100. Definitely plenty of bow for the money. There is plenty of videos on longbow and the recurve from Black Hunter. People are kind of really happy with them. Some of them, they need to get a little work. They need to get a little sanding, or the shelf is not good sanded, but just sand it, put a finish on, and you have really good little bow. People apparently hunt with them. The young fellow that is shooting in my archery club bought one. He seems to like it, so yeah, you hear it from all over the place that definitely good, cost effective, good performing, cheap bows. And again, you get the limbs for $50-$60. If you want to have longbow and a recurve, you can just get a recurve and longbow limbs and interchange them, and you have a longbow and a recurve. And this is awesome. If you're starting, you can check what you like, try different poundages and different styles. Yeah, so definitely I would recommend you to try it if you are into that type of thing. So let's go to the next one. Again, another Chinese brand.
China. I have to have my China. China because China.
So China is doing all kinds of cheap bows those days, and they just do huge amounts, and they can keep the cost down, and that's pretty good. It's the craziest bows ever. $120 or €120 in Europe will get you Oak Ridge Diamond, which is hunting style recurve with extreme speed and performance for I think almost like $120 for that performance is just incredible. We have Oak Ridge Ash, which is a reflex deflex 62 inches bow as well. I know somebody who has it. I know a couple of people who have them. Extremely happy with them. Aggressive, really nice shooting bows. A little loud, but performance is top notch. They make longbows, they make reflex deflex longbows, they make hunting style recurves, they make mostly traditional archery equipment, and the Oak Ridge ILF limbs. They're called Oak Ridge Shade. They're 70 euros. 70 euro limbs, bamboo and black glass. This is for 70 or $75. You cannot get cheaper or such a performance for that money with ILF limb. Oak Ridge, I definitely would check. If you're on a budget, I would definitely check this brand. It has plenty of traditional archery equipment to offer, and you will not regret it, or getting decent, good, rigid bow. And that's what you should, I guess, hope for on a start. Yeah, so let's see what we have next. And of course, another Chinese manufacturer.
It comes from China.
Yeah, Top Archery is a heavy hitter in that whole area. If you see Top Archery bow, there is Top Archery bows with their costing $100, $80, $90 for a beginner. You believe me, you will not regret it. They sell also cheap arrows, which is like 12 pieces for like $50. Really good, nice, natural feather carbon arrows. That's more than enough what you need for a start. Like 100 grain points, overall 450 grain weight, 400 till 800 spine, I guess. Beautiful arrows for your start in your archery. and top archery bows. There is plenty of, I will call them knockoff bows, like Hoitsatori looking ILF rigs and stuff, and they're all just beautiful bows. It's just comes from China, and you can get them on eBay and get them shipped all around the world. And yeah, they just make really, really nice bows. And they are really known for delivering like cheap, good quality equipment for beginners. And I was shooting those arrows like for years before I started to go into arrow tuning, building my own arrows and stuff. I shot top archery arrows, and they were 3D. Yeah, if you lose it, if you break your arrow, it's not like you lose $20 immediately. It's a couple of bucks till you learn. Perfect arrow. You should not waste your money on a start either way. Not so. Yeah, if you search for cheap archery equipment, I would say top archery, not bad. And of course, it would not be a stupid archer video if I would not talk about bear archery. Bear bows, and so much fun. They just revolutionized my shooting, and I'm not talking about expensive, newest lineup. No, I'm talking about go to your garage sale, go to your like eBay or Craigslist or whatever you have in your area, and search for cheap old end of 60s 70s bear bow for $120. He will perform like any other new bow what you can buy in this price range, and it shoots already for 40-50 years. It will definitely shoot, not definitely, but it will probably shoot also for some time. And though I tell you, those old bows, they are sweet shooting bows. One of my favorite bows is my Bear Tiger Cat. I got it like for 100 and some bucks. Just like strip the varnish off. Mate, you can watch the video if you wanted, how I restored it. I love it. That bow shoots like any other new bow I have. Just doesn't need to be new. Just watch, go to the person, shoot it, try it. Watch for the like obvious signs of glass cracking, or of course it can always break after some 20 shots and you have bad luck, but and you don't have warranty. That's the biggest problem. But it's definitely worth it, because when you get a real good one and you pay 80 euros or dollars for it, oh my god, it's the best feeling ever. I have my Bear Grizzly. I bought it in Hamburg, Germany for $80. It was completely busted. Limb was warped. I fixed it up mechanically, twisted the limb back in place, put the varnish, fixed the holes and everything. Shoots till this day. Crazy performance. Like it has like 55, probably close to 60 on my rolling. It is 56 inches. And I'm pulling it like 31 and a half and nothing. Did not snap, nothing happened to it. I was shooting light, heavy arrows out of it. I really tried everything. Nothing, still working like perfect. Like any other cheap bow I would buy also. Or if I would now buy a Samick Sage, that bear would probably even outperform the Samick Sage with 50 pounds. Because the smoothness is just, they did the bows, they were good back then. And if you get a good example of it on a garage sale and it's a little dinged up, fix it up. It's definitely worth it to get a cheap, like premium performing bow for small money and piece of history. You should give them old bows a chance and yeah, maybe give them a new life and enjoy them. So yeah, that'll be probably my top picks. I will say it again, that's only the stuff I tested myself and more people that I know in my circuit, in my yeah, vicinity, friends or the colleagues or what have you, they have tried them, and yeah, think about it. Make educated decision. Watch other videos on YouTube. Inform yourself and go and try them. Go to a garage sale. Ask the guy. Traditional archers, they will always say, "Yeah, don't worry. Let's shoot a couple of arrows. Tell you something about it. Watch for the quality of it." Yeah. Or order one of those other cheap bows. And important, start drilling your shoot. Find your shooting style. Drill, bow drills. Shoot on 5, 10, 20, 30, 40 yards. Go back and forth. Get used to it. Learn how to shoot, and then decide if you need an expensive bow or just stick with the cheap bows. There's nothing wrong about it. So, Steve is out. See you next one.